All right, what day is it, baby?
Cruise Day!
Cruise Day! Woo! All right, guys, it is Cruise Day today. We are about to, well, we're going to get on the big boat. We're waiting on the Uber. Well, actually, we're just waiting on time to go by because why? We're so excited. We cannot wait. We got our bags packed. We're ready to go. And we're here in the Comfort Inn and Suites, downtown Brickell. What'd you think about this hotel, baby?
It wasn't bad.
No, it's not bad. It's this room, 405. King size bed, anything you need. TV, mini fridge, microwave, coffee maker, bathroom.
We didn't discover the microwave until this morning, right?
I know, I just discovered it. I was eating cold chicken nuggets. That's crazy, right? But, yeah, waiting on the Uber. I do think the hotel either offers a free shuttle or maybe they'll arrange a shuttle for you to the port. But we're doing the Uber thing. We just find we don't have to wait on everybody to load on the shuttle and things like that. We can just get in the Uber and go. It might cost a little more money, but hey, it's okay. But hey, guys.
We're going on a cruise. We're going on a cruise.
Yes, we are. And we'll see you at the port.
Woo.
All right, guys, we are here in the Platinum waiting area, and we're just waiting to get on the big boat. I mean, it was easy peasy, lemon squeezy. We got in here pretty quick. I mean, we arrived like 30 minutes early, went straight through the Platinum line, boom, bam, we in here. And of course, you get in here, and there's all kinds of people, all kinds of great people that's gonna be on this cruise. Of course, we look over here, we got Tom and Brenda from KY Travelers, and they're friends, and then we got Josh and Michelle, Ventures Ahead. There's Mike and Betsy of Beach Please. Of course, there's Mike, Michelle, and Anthony of Lovey's Fat Life, and there's beautiful Miss Alma. All right, guys, we are getting on the big boat. Woo! Where we going? Where we going? On a cruise. 10:55. We're getting on the big boat. Getting on the big boat. right, guys, we dropped our bags off at the room, and now we're gonna do our muster
We're
station.
muster buddies.
Oh, we're muster buddies.
Muster buddies.
We're muster buddies.
My name is Gonzalo, and I'm going to show you how to use the life jacket in case of an emergency. Okay? So this is going to be fast and sweet, guys. Okay, so we have two different kinds of life jackets. This is for adults, and this one is for infants. So, in case of an emergency, guys, we are going to provide the life jacket right here. This is your muster station. This is going to be the safety place in case of an emergency for you to come, okay? So, and here we are going to provide for each of you the life jacket, okay? So, just let me remove my cap, and we are going to bring the life jacket all the way to the shoulder. Once you have the life jacket right here, you need to bring all around your body. All around your body. Then click the bottom part, the top part, and guys, that's it. Now you are safe, okay? Once you are safe, you need to check the life jacket has a light and a window. Okay? So now, tingnan mo lang and enjoy. Enjoy your vacation.
So, all right, guys, if you're looking for something a little different here on Carnival Celebration, you can get the Street Eat. All right, guys, we've got chili cheese dog fries. Miss Melody has the dumpling. Of course, Miss Alma finished off that kebab. Now, of course, Miss Melody said that the dumpling was a little spicy, and the kebab was a little spicy. I have not tried the fries yet, so I'm gonna check it out. And of course, I've been on a diet for like forever, so very little carbs. Not bad. Kind of tastes like what you expect. Okay, guys, we're sitting here at the Havana Bar 8 Forward, getting our first drinky drink of the day. And of course, we're boring people, so of course we're drinking a Grey Goose Starry Zero with a lime wedge. Of course, it's in a cognac glass. And we're just hanging out. It's a nice little area back here. Of course, this will be a perfect spot to hang out and listen to some Cuban music at night. Or should I say Latin music? Either one. I don't know.